So you're gonna take a breath in, let it all out, and relax. Good. Did you feel the tenderness there but not there?
Yes.
So that's a headache causer. So that's C1 right there.
Okay.
Nice and relaxed. Good. Just down here though. Alright. Is that one alright?
Yeah.
Alright, a couple more. Need more of a pull here. Alright, and last one, we are going to do a little bit of a pull at the end of this one. You're going to feel it in the neck, and it's going to go even into the mid back a bit. Did you feel that one?
Yeah.
Okay.